Hey guys, today we're doing a spring cleaning and you're coming along with us for the ride. Right now I'm flushing the muck out of this gravel here and that pump's sending it out to the woods. When you're cleaning a pond, there's a lot of moving parts. So you want to make sure that both you and your partner are able to work together efficiently. Part of that is manning the pump and making sure that while one person is flushing, the other person keeps the pump clean and that water can keep getting evacuated. When we got here to start this cleaning, we set up our holding tanks. Both of them, we have our 1,000 gallon holding tank up there. This is a 500 gallon holding tank. And this actually doubles as our fish holding tank while we're cleaning their room. We drain all the water down a little bit into this tank, just enough to make sure that the fish isn't too surprised by the change in water temperature or ammonia levels. And we pump the rest into that bigger tank. And what we do with that dirty water up there is we use that to flush the pond. Once the pond drains down and we pick up all those sticks and leaves hiding in the crevices, we turn the pump around and we actually put one of them up there in the holding tank and use it to flush the pond, the rocks, the gravel and everything, while this bigger pump sends all the water out to the woods. So this is what an unmanned pump looks like, and this will halt your cleaning dead in its tracks. Leaves, acorns, a couple pieces of mulch and everything have built up on the cage of this pump here. So it's my job as Derek's cleaning partner to make sure that this stays clean and gets taken out of the pond. And as soon as that cage gets clean, the water comes out a lot smoother. So we just finished power washing and now we're doing our final flush with this nice clean water. After Derek gets that all cleaned up on the bottom and all that muck and silt is out of there, making sure that our mats are inside of our skimmer and biofalls and that the filter media is inside of our biofalls as well. Once that's all done, we're gonna hook up the homeowner's electronics and fill with fresh water, head home for the day. Alrighty guys, the pond is all clean and the one fish is back in there under his faux log. Everything looks awesome and working as it should be. If you want your pond clean, give us a call. And other than that, we'll see you next time.